My name is Matt Elliott, and this is my video submission for the Find a Hospital assignment for eVarsity. So I recently moved to the Maumelle community about 3 months ago, so I decided to use Maumelle as my search point. Three closest hospitals to me are all in Little Rock. It gave me the option of Baptist, St. Vincent's, and UAMS. Well, the first thing I went to look at were patient satisfaction scores. And one thing that you have to keep in mind, 100% of the patients that come through these facilities, not all of them are going to submit their surveys or give their thoughts on how they were treated, whether they understood their condition or not. All these different ratings, not every patient is going to submit these. So the scores that I found, again, are only going to be based on the surveys that are actually submitted. Between the three hospitals, the scores were very, very, very close. Less than 5% difference on really any category between all three hospitals, either direction, average, less, or more. The scores were, pretty close. So it was a really, really tough decision just based on that information alone. I use the hospital compare tool. I also utilize websites such as Health Grades to even, try to make a better decision. I decided to go with where would I go if I were having a heart attack? So when I went to look at the heart attack ratings, it only gives me information for 90 minutes or less, which Baptist and St. Vincent's were 100%. So every patient that came in with a heart attack, they were seen in 90 minutes or less, with UAMS falling behind at about 80%. But again, this is going off of the scores that are submitted. So, based on that information, again, it was a really hard decision, so I decided to go with another option. My husband is a trauma nurse at St. Vincent, so based on that information alone, I personally am going to choose St. Vincent's. And recently, St. Vincent's consistently is able to actually see their heart attack patients in 30 minutes or less. Consistently. So, again, based on that information, with a 30-minute or less wait time and the fact that my spouse is a nurse at this facility, I'm going to choose St. Vincent's. Thank you.